Okay, so you should have this comma practice in front of you now, and we're going to do the first 5 examples together, and then you'll complete the rest of this on your own and turn it in for a grade. Um, on the sides where you see the blanks here, it's going to tell you to write the comma rule, but don't worry about that. So you'll just leave those blanks. You're just going to put the commas where they belong. So number 1, your picture, Melissa, is on display in the art gallery. In this sentence, we're setting off the name Melissa. We're just adding more detail to the sentence. So you're going to set off her name with commas. If you think about the commas being handles, if you hang on to the commas and throw out Melissa, the sentence still makes sense. Your picture is on display in the art gallery. So adding the commas and Melissa just adds more detail and more specifics to the sentence. So we use commas to set off names. Number 2, well, the weather forecast called for a cold, gloomy, rainy day. This one has 2 rules. You're going to put a comma after well, which is an introductory word. And then we have a series of what the weather was like. It was cold, comma, gloomy, comma, rainy day. So the rule here was the comma after well, which is a comma after an introductory word, and then commas in a series. Number 3, Walt Disney World is located in Orlando, Florida. Here the rule is you use a comma to separate a city and a state. Number 4, America gained its independence on July 4th, 1776. And as you know, you use a comma to separate the day and the year. And number 5, in quotations, this hot chocolate is delicious, exclaimed Jeremy. When you have quotation marks, you are going to put a comma inside the quotes, not under the S. Sorry, it's in between the S and the quotation marks. So anytime you have a quote, you need to set it off with a comma before your exclaimed Jeremy or said Sally or shouted Renee. So those are 5 of the rules, and now you can complete the rest of this on your own. Be sure you turn this in to the language arts tray when you are done.